Today we're going to talk about self-management versus professional property management, the nightmares and the benefits involved. I'm John at Specialized Property Management. I've got 5 tips on self-management versus professional property management. Number 1, knowledge, experience, and resources. Obviously, professional property management, they're gonna have a much higher knowledge of what's going on in the market to seek top rent rates, expose the property in regard to marketing and getting a good quality tenant in place, in addition to strong lease agreements. Knowledge, experience, and resources are huge, guys. Number 2, ROI, return on investment, the main ingredient to why you're in this business. That has got to maintain its key focal point when you're hiring a property manager or even when you're self-managing. And then number 3, reducing stress, being called in the middle of the night for maintenance requests, having to get all of the runaround on why you can't get rent on time. Like, who wants to deal with that? Number 4, consider best and worst case scenarios. Worst case scenario, you place a tenant and you got to turn right around and evict them. That can be super costly. Hiring professional management services obviously gonna mitigate that completely. You've got accounting, seeking the top rents. Obviously, your best and worst case scenarios, you can weigh that out. I know a lot of people that we onboard as new clients that have some really bad experiences with self-management, and it's a numbers game. Hopefully you can avoid that. Number 5, you want to weigh out the costs versus the benefits. A lot of folks don't realize, but you can write property management services off if you get with your CPA. Having the communication, all of the communication when it comes to not only the maintenance, but the accounting, all of the city rental departments involved, the home warranty, homeowners association. So what's your time worth in regard to turning this over and just letting it being a complete business and a valuable asset for you? Thank you for watching this video and looking forward to potentially partnering with you. If you have any questions, let us know. Thanks.